Hello, I'm Chris. We're now going to look into company budgeting. These are the areas that we're going to look at. Budgeting starts with the expected sales revenue. Sales revenue also drives the variable costs. The numbers within the sales forecast can be contentious because the sales department doesn't want to seem to be a failure before the year has even started. These forecasts will need to be analysed and challenged. We will look at how every company has a different profile and how we can use this to help budgeting the expenses. We will look at the various variable expenses. We will also look at the semi-fixed costs and how they are made up. There are also long-term costs that the company is committed to for more than 1 year. We'll also look at how the management look at the months and the cumulative actual results versus the budgeted forecasts. We'll look at how the global events can affect your decisions and how the cost of employment will certainly be affected by the economic cycle. When creating a budget, should it be the bosses that set the targets, or should various departments start the process off? Is it a better idea to look at the past performance, or start from scratch? Working efficiently means that you need to understand the different logics between calculators and Excel. If you want to impress your bosses and get them round to your opinion, you need to show your findings in a compelling manner and not produce meaningless charts. Showing the same data in a more informative chart can be useful. I look forward to seeing you on the course.